Dang, boy, I always gotta finagle with something, G. Like, dang, nothing can't ever just go on how it's supposed to. Just wanna fight. I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me hear it. Let me hear it, man. Hey, that's what's up, man. Listen, keep grinding, keep growing, keep doing your thing, man. And if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes tomorrow, maybe next week. Shoot, a few weeks is about to be next year, so maybe next year you could definitely be in a better situation. So look, chin up, keep trucking, man. You know what I'm saying? And if you see somebody out here doing their thing right now, if you see somebody out here on their grind, listen, don't hate on it, just wait on it. Your time could definitely be coming up next, man. All right, y'all, so as y'all see, we back in the car, man. Yeah, so today we're gonna be installing these Skar Audio 6x9s, man. Yes, sir. As I told y'all before, I'm gonna be explaining y'all, telling y'all pretty much the audio system we gonna be doing in it, and I think everything is gonna be Skar. I know the little speakers up here, DS18, they sound pretty good right now. I'm gonna leave them for now, but I'm also gonna be swapping them out for some Skar. You know, we're gonna do all Skar in the car, man. Skar in the car. That's what we about to do. So shout out to my dude On One Lifestyle, man. I seen his video last year. I went back and rewatched it as well. To be able to convert, because y'all know all the G bodies, if I ain't mistaken, they came with like the 4x somethings. Don't get me confused. 4x10s or something like that. And the 6x9s won't fit, you know, with those brackets that they have on there. You know what I'm saying? So you got to get these little adapter brackets right here. Pretty much, I think I got these off Geek Squad or something like that. Good gracious. But well, there's the part number if you guys need it. But there's the 4x10s to the 6x9 adapters, and what it comes with is like these little, well, the little actual, good gracious, come on camera, it comes with the bracket pieces for the 6x9s, and then also, I don't think if y'all can really see it, but the little metal rods actually hold the speaker up. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, man. But another thing you're also gonna need is some bolts. Now I had this bolt kit from Harbor Freight for a while, so yeah, I forgot how much it was, but yeah, I got this little bolt kit from Harbor Freight, had it for a while. So we're gonna be using these to pretty much put our speakers onto these adapters. So I'm gonna sit y'all down and we're gonna get to that. Oh yeah, man, we did also got our little single DIN adapter for the radio, so we're gonna be installing that as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to these, man. Let me bust these things apart. I haven't even looked at them yet. I haven't even opened it yet for real. But shoot, let me go ahead and get these things out the box, and we're gonna get to putting them on this adapter, man. Let's get it. Let's get these things out the box. Lord, should have did this inside, huh? Oh shit, how this thing? Oh, it's upside. Oh, it's not upside down. I don't think so. Oh man. We got our little Skar audio stickers and everything. Let's see how these things look, man. Okay, good gracious, these jokers is big as damn. Oh man, this thing big. Well, I guess they just seem big. I haven't held one in a while. So they come with these. Is this thing? It's cool, man. So it has a little faceplate. We ain't gonna be using that. But these are the 6x9s. I see that the little thing is different. It's like made out of like foam. But these are supposed to take up to like 270. There's the information for you. But so we are gonna be, I do need to get a amp for these as well, man. It's a good looking speaker though. I ain't gonna be able to see it, but it's a good looking speaker. All right, man, so let's go ahead and try to find the right bolts to bolt this thing up here with. All right. It's gonna go like that. It's gonna go like that. The little hump goes in the back. Y'all know about that little part in the back in the trunk of the G-body where the speakers is. That's why that little hump is right there for. All right. All right, y'all, so pretty much that's how it's gonna look on there. It ain't in the way or nothing. Those bolts, I chose the little smaller ones, and I got some lock nuts on there as well, so it'll hold it on there real good and no tight, you know what I'm saying. I am gonna fasten them down a little bit more, but all right, man, let's go ahead and get the other one knocked out. Man, bro, I tried to just check this, just looking at it, and it don't even fit the radio, man. Doesn't even fit it, bro. So we're gonna have to probably try to find something or something, bro, to doggone try to get this on there. Man, I hate that. But anyway, let's go ahead and just get these rear speakers. I never wired the rear speakers up. For now, I am gonna use let me go ahead and make a disclaimer. For now, we are gonna go ahead and use the factory speaker wires. And that's because, like I said, I am gonna get an amp for the 6x9, so you know they're gonna be hooked to that, and we just gonna have to bring some RCAs up here. So all right, man, let me go ahead and knock this out and get right back to y'all, dude. All right, man. Boom. Sheesh. more wiring, right? So we got our rear wires hooked up. I made sure that I put my solids on my solids just so I can remember when I get back there to the trunk. All right, man, let's go ahead and grab this stuff, get back there in the trunk, man. Let's do it. All right, y'all, so we up in this jank. Got an old body in the trunk, baby. Hey, so pretty much, like I said, it comes with these hangers, man. And what you do, you just put them hangers on the back right here, and then it come up such like that right there and locks in on that. I know it's gonna stick out more when you actually put that speaker up there. I'm gonna have to keep that stretched out just to keep that little leg up there, man. Good griefy. All right, man, so let me go ahead and set y'all up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these mounted in and wired up. Let's get it. Oh boy, that was kind of tougher than oh, let me see if I can get y'all. Boy, that was kind of tough. But I ended up having the wrong little bracket up there. But pretty much, that's what it does, man. Y'all can't see nothing. That's what it does, man. Locks that joint up in there like that. All right, let's go ahead and knock out the other one. Dang, nothing can't ever just go on how it's supposed to. Just want to fight. Dang. All right, man, we got them up there. All right, let's go ahead and wire them up. I ain't gonna waste no ends. I might have to extend this one. Oh no. Oh man, yeah, we might have to extend these. Yeah, we might have to extend these. I thought this wire would have came all the way over here. All right, let me wire this thing up and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. Shoot, we got them wired up, man. Hey, done hooked the battery up. Let's see what she gonna. Let me hop on up in here. Sheesh. All right, dang. Cut some power on. Come on, G. Oh, and we already on Bluetooth. Hey. Let's see. You know we about to play that. That 84 Cuddy. 84, my bad. I'm gonna have to skip this, G. I'm gonna have to skip it, brother.
Put them in the hands of the top high school prospects to elite college and pro.
Yes, sir. I already know who it is. This your boy 84. Hey, y'all put on y'all dancing shoes. Let's go out and two-step. Two-step, y'all.
Okay, we playing?
Yeah.
All right, both of them playing.
Come on in, 2 steps to your left, then back to the right.
Hey.
Then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. Getting lost, she twerking and twerking.
Let's see how loud you gonna get.
Doing it just right.
Hey, it ain't cutting out or nothing.
That floor doing it 2-step all night.
All right.
We went to a party way down in the country.
Hey, them little things sound good, and that ain't no amp.
Need a lot of money.
Good joker sound good.
To a hole in the wall.
Hey,
The DJ playing my song.
let's get it then.
Y'all. I hit the damn floor.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, I know this was probably a short one, man. Hopefully this helps somebody out for real. Man, I can't wait to start getting the rest of the setup for this, man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we definitely getting there, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn that notification bell on to all so you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video, short or whatever, man. Hey, but until next time, man, salute. Appreciate y'all, G.
Just pat your feet while the rest of you still come on and choose